Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. 4:40 in the morning, man. Yesterday was a crazy day. That Suzuki went crazy, y'all. I ended up picking up about 10 trillion more, but I'm about to buy some more Suzuki. So let me go over how to buy it. First, you add Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet. All you gotta do is go to buy and transfer. You can buy Ethereum from right here. You know, on Coinbase Wallet, it seemed like it been loading the Ethereum way faster. I don't know if it got updated, but after you had a Ethereum on your wallet, you just hit the middle 4 buttons, and then you can enter in the amount you want to send. So we got 0.0, let's just say 0.09. Wait, I want to send more than that. All right, so we're gonna say 0.1. I don't know what the Ethereum gas fee gonna be, so let's leave it at that. All right, let's leave it at that and swap. Look like we're gonna get 69 trillion, bringing us to over 100 trillion. I really want over 100 trillion Suzuki, and we can afford that, so we're gonna pay for it. So, waiting for confirmation. We swapping out for it look like 68 trillion Suzuki. They gonna take a cut. I know they take a cut every time you buy. I believe it's like 7% from their white paper. But I'm gonna make another video about Suzuki, and we're gonna go over their white paper. Yeah, like the network moving fast right now. That's why I like buying in the middle of the fucking morning, for real. So let's see. Did it load? Oh yeah, nah, it's on there. Wait, hold on. My balance still ain't updated. Oh, so I got 74 trillion. I got 74 trillion. And this is what the balance is at right now. So I feel like November gonna be a real big month. December gonna be even a bigger month. So I'm gonna hold it down for a couple months, see what it do. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Just wanted to show y'all. I think Coinbase is loading way faster now. I don't know if my app updated, but like even yesterday I had bought a little bit during, you know, the run yesterday. And man, the transaction went through fast. So I think Coinbase Wallet updated. Y'all can check it out yourself. But we in the game with Suzuki, 74 trillion. That's a good amount. That's a good amount. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.